Hello children, welcome in your online session. Today we are going to discuss about the exercises. We are going to discuss exercises of chapter number 2. So these exercises are, and I am sending the question answers in form of PDF. You will note down those question answers in your notebook. Clear beta? Now the question answer, as this is the choose the correct answer, and in this question, in this assessment, the first question is access in example. As you all have studied access, na? So this is an example of RDBMS. RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. So access is an example of RDBMS. Okay. Why it is called as Relational Database Management System? I have given you the definition of table. The tables are the basic structure component of our database in which the data are stored in form of rows and columns, and this particular format of table is also known as relation. So where the data is stored in form of tables, that particular database is considered as Relational Database Management System. Now the next one, find the odd one out. So which one is the odd one out over here? Date and time, required, field size, allow zero length. So see, here date and time is a data type. Date and time is a data type. While required, field size and allow zero length, they all are field properties. Okay. So which one is the odd one out? Date and time. DBMS helps in reducing data redundancy. This is true. Ensure data security. This is true. And enforcing standards. This is also true. So all are true. So which one option is correct here? That is all of these option. That is D option is correct over here. Now a field that has a unique value for every record and cannot be left blank, it is called as primary key. It is called as primary key. As if I am storing the records of you people, students, so which one the value which will be the unique for all? Your name, same name can have multiple students. Harsh can be multiple, many students, not multiple, many students. So which one is correct option? The primary key. Clear? Roll number can be, your roll number will always be unique. No many people can have same roll number. So primary key is the key which have unique values. Which of the following field property let you specify the conditions on the data that can be entered in the table? That is validation rule. If you are designing a database to store the periodic test marks, okay, as periodic test marks is of 30 marks or 20 marks, so no one can enter the marks more than 20 or less than 0. Okay, so in that case you can set the validation rule. Now this particular symbol is an icon for design view. This symbol is an icon for design view. Okay. Which of the following object in Access let you retrieve selective data based on specific condition? So if you want to access, as all the data is stored in a table and you want to access the data which is present in the table according to a specific condition, then you can use queries. With the help of queries, we can access the data from a table according to a specific condition. Clear, bachcho? The next one, which property is used to specify a value that gets displayed automatically whenever new record is inserted? Whenever a new record is inserted and the value displays automatically, then it is called as default value. It is considered as default value. As in case of your class, if I am maintaining the records of you students, then most of the students are boys over there. So in case of gender, I can put boys as a default, male as a default value, and whenever it comes the record of a girl, then I will change the value as female. Clear? Got it? Because most of the students are boys, so I can put the default value of the gender as male, and whenever required to change it, then at that time I will change. So very few, as the number of girls over there, only for those record I have to change the gender value. Clear? Now it comes to the films. In relational database management system, in relational database, data is stored in form of tables. Data is stored in form of tables. Then next one, second number, the dash view let you enter the data in a table. This is called as data sheet view. This is called as data sheet view. You can set the field data type and their properties in which particular location? Yes, in the design view. In which view? In the design view. Third one is design view. The dash property is used to specify a value that is displayed automatically when the record is created. That is default value. That is fourth number is default value. And the next one, the dash field cannot contain duplicate value. Which one? Primary key. Which one cannot contain the primary default value? Duplicate value. That is primary key. The next one, the extension of Access 2013 file is .accdb. This is present over here. .accdb. ACC Access DB database. So extension of this file is .accdb. Now the next one is which the dash property of the field with data type determines the manner in which date gets displayed. So which property? That is the format. Which property? That is the format. So seventh number is answer is format. 8. A field with dash data type can store more than 255 character. Okay, there is two types of data type where we can store text value, character value, that is short text and long text. Short text can have 255 characters, but here it is asking more than 255. Then the answer is long text. Which one is the answer? Long text. Last one is long text. Now we will do, this is the practically we will do later on. And here it is showing the question answer which I am sending you. These question answers I am sending you in form of PDF. So you will note down these question answers in the notebook, in your notebook, and you also note down these exercises in your notebook. Exercises I am also sending these exercises in form of PDF. And I have discussed all these exercises over here in this video. So you will solve these exercises whatever I am sending yourself, and if you feel any problem then you can review to this particular video. And beta, I had already sent you the notes for this chapter. So read those notes properly, and after that try to solve these exercises and the question answers yourself. Learn it properly, because the test, even it is in the month of July, but we can't say whether it will be the pen paper test or the online test, whatever. So prepare the chapter well, and the question answer of first chapter I will send in your next video, in your next class. Clear, students? So be safe, stay at home, and do the work on time of all the subjects, and learn the content, learn your question answers and exercises, on time. It will help you for better understanding, for better practice, for to gain good marks. Okay बच्चों, bye.